Warm greetings to everyone. Dear children, we are going to study the concepts of English grammar. So take out your Step Up English Grammar and Composition book. Today we are going to do chapter number 16, Continuous Tenses. Let's know first the aims and objectives of the chapter. We will be learning about what is continuous tense, learning the structure of present tense, past and future continuous tense, learn the usage of present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Let's know what is tense. The tense is the change of form in a verb to express the time of an action, or we can say the tense tells us the time. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Each of these principal tenses is again subdivided into indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Today we will study about the continuous tenses only. First, present continuous. Structure: subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. We use the present continuous tense to talk about the present for something that is happening at the moment of speaking. Example: I am speaking English language. I am not studying to become a doctor. Are you sleeping? Let's know further structure of present continuous tense. First is affirmative form. Subject plus is or are or am plus present participle form of verb. Is will be used with the singular noun, are will be used with the plural noun, and you, am will be used with I. Negative form: when we are making negative form, we will be using subject plus is rm plus not plus present participle form of verb. If there will be yes or no question form, then is rm will be there first, then subject, then present participle form of verb. Now if we will talk about WH and WH question form structure, then WH word plus is rm plus subject plus present participle form of verb. Let's have an example. First of affirmative form: she is dancing. Negative form: she is not cooking. Yes or no question form: is she cooking? WH question: what is she doing? Now let's understand the usage of present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. Example: I am working at the moment. For temporary situations, when we feel something won't continue for a long time. Example: she is staying with a friend for a week. For temporary or new habits. For normal habits, use a simple present tense. Example: he is eating a lot these days. For definite future arrangements, where one is pretty sure that the action will happen in the future. For example, I am meeting my father tomorrow. I am going to London next week. Now comes the past continuous tense. Structure: subject plus was or were plus verb and ing. To use this with the situation that happened in the past but interrupted by the other situation, or use with the situation two situation that happened in the same time in the past. Knowing the usage, let's know the structure of various sentences used in past continuous tense. First, affirmative sentence: subject plus was or were plus present participle form of verb. Was will be used with a singular noun and were will be used with a plural noun. Also we use were with you. For example, she was dancing. negative form will come. Subject plus was or were plus not plus present participle form of verb. For example, she was not dancing. If I'll talk about yes or no questions, was or were will be there first, then subject, and then present participle form of verb. Like, was she dancing? WH question. WH word plus was or were plus subject plus present participle form of verb. What was she doing? Now we come to the usage of the past continuous tense. First, to talk about the actions that lasted for some time in the past and whose duration is unknown or not important. Like, I was watching TV yesterday in the evening. When one action is in progress, is interrupted by another action in the past, the simple past is used in such sentences. For example, I was talking with James when the telephone rang. So both the actions are taking simultaneously and interrupted. So somewhere we are using past continuous and somewhere we are using simple past. Like, I was talking with James when the telephone rang. So for the former action we are using past continuous, and for the later action we are using simple past. Now we comes to the future continuous tense. Structure will be subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. We use the future continuous to indicate that we will be in the middle of doing something in a specific time in the future. Let's know the structure first. Affirmative form, subject plus will shall plus be plus present participle form of verb. Like, for example, she will be doing her work tomorrow. Negative form, subject plus will shall plus not be plus present participle form of verb. For example, he will not be going on his work tomorrow. For example, he will not be going to dance class tomorrow. Yes or no question form, will shall plus subject plus be plus present participle form of verb. Will she be going tomorrow? WH question form, WH word plus will shall plus subject plus be plus present participle form of verb. Who will be dancing tomorrow? Now, usage of the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used first to project ourselves into the future. For example, by Christmas, I will be skiing like a professional. For predicting or guessing about future events. For example, he will be coming to the meeting I expect. I hope you have understood the usage of continuous tense. An assignment has been given to you. Kindly solve it and clear your concept of continuous tense. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have understood the continuous tense.